Hello, my friends. It's a late night here. Um, just where I'm living here I live in Salt Lake City, Utah. Just for any of you who know, if any of you live around here, maybe I could literally meet up with you because guess what? People passionate about this stuff I like to network with, especially when it's in person. I mean, I could talk to people and I love it. So, straight up, let's refresh the screen right quick and let's move forward here. So, straight up, guys, huge month, baby. We making racks. I'm holding this money to prove to you this is real. Look, real money, real money. Okay, this is so powerful. Okay, so you can make this much money if you build it up over time. You can make money with paid ads. You can make money with free traffic. You can make money doing anything, baby. Like I'm telling you, like it's so possible to make money online. It's like you could throw $100 bill into the trash can and not think twice because the money flows to you like nothing else. Like literally, while you're pooping, you're making money. While you're sleeping, you're making money. While you're eating, you're making money. While you're playing, while you're working out, while you're doing everything, you're making money. So it's like, why not choose the number one secret, the number one best way to making money, which is online business is the best way to possibly make money. Okay. And so I haven't posted in a while because I'm working with clients. I'm working on my separate businesses. I'm working on building huge funnels. And here we are because I know you guys love the results. And so here you go. So straight up, if you want to learn more, just know that it's totally possible. You can do this as a beginner. You can do this as an advanced person. And all you need as an advanced person in marketing and sales, all I look for is one gold nugget. If I get one gold nugget out of buying $1,000 course, out of buying a $10,000 mentorship, okay, out of buying just a book, if I get one gold nugget, that applies to my business big time. I make huge money. Okay, so it doesn't matter, okay, how much you spend to learn. All that matters is that you get the gold nuggets you're looking for and you apply them, okay? Because when you're an action taker, you see the world differently, okay? You see it as, okay, I got a gold nugget. I'm going to take action on this and it's going to benefit my life. Okay. Super powerful. So it's a late night here. That's why I'm showing you towards the end of the day here. What's up? And if you want results like this, go ahead and click links down below. I will build you a funnel that will be profitable for you. You can check that out down below, how I do that. And I've got courses where I teach everything inside the courses of how I'm doing this. And I highly recommend the mega bundle because you get a bunch of bonus courses. You get courses I don't sell separately. You get just huge bonuses. Okay. And if you want the mentorship, I throw in everything I could possibly offer. And if you want to be a part of the elite club, baby, the elites, then all you got to do is go ahead and click the link down below and join the elite club where I go live weekly and I answer questions every single day inside the Facebook group there. And we are elite marketers in there. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced, you're learning from one of the best freaking marketers on the planet. Okay. And why do I say that? That I'm the best on the planet? Because I am, baby. It's because I am. And that's because it took years of struggle, okay, to reach the point where I am so confident in my abilities in marketing and sales that I'm teaching people how to do it, okay? I went through some of the biggest pains and struggles you could imagine, okay? Imagine learning for over 6 hours per day while you're in high school and in school after you go to school and you're learning all day, right? Like I was a loser, okay? And it was hell on earth, okay? And I was a loser because socially I was a loser, but I was also bullied, which added to the loserness. Okay. But I also had really good friends because I'm introverted. So I had really great friends, but then people were also bullies. And I was very sensitive. Okay. I'm not a sensitive person at all anymore. And it's very powerful. Okay. You got to understand that. To not be a sensitive person, you need to be hard and soft, nice and mean. Okay, you need to be 50-50 in today's world. And I know I'm going on a tangent, but I'm just sharing my story here. Literally, the first course I ever bought was like 40 something dollar course. Okay. And it just taught about like all the different ways of making money. Okay. And it wasn't the best course ever, but I've taken thousands of courses up to this point on multiple topics. Okay. Some of the most insane information you could ever learn in your whole life is behind the payment wall, the locked information. I'm telling you right now, books and courses, you need to go through as many you can possibly do, okay, right now. Okay, yesterday was the best time to do it. And I can tell you right now, there are secrets, there are loopholes to making money. Okay, like it's insane. There's actual secrets. And if I could I can't just say them for free because I could go on forever. And obviously that's super valuable. But guess what? I put it behind the payment wall, just how I discovered the information. Okay, there's no incentive for me to teach if I'm not making an incentive for teaching, and I want to give back. Okay, when you reach the next level, you want to give back to people. You want to help people. Okay, I want you guys to get your first commissions. I want you guys to make your first 1,000 a month. I want you to make your next 100,000 a month, or at least 10,000 a month. Okay, this month I'm going to reach over $100,000, and it's like, sweet. I'm going to do it again next month, and I want to now reach $1 million a month. Okay, if you can reach $1 million a month, guess what? You might as well stop. You might as well stop. I mean, billionaire status, that's great, but at the end of the day, if you're making 12 million a year, which is $1 million a month, I think you're pretty set, right? So at the end of the day, everyone should be shooting for $1 million a month, and from there on, you can give to charities, and then you're good. Or if you really want to go all out, YOLO baby, go all out. Why not? So straight up. And hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully it inspires you and motivates you. And inside the courses, I obviously teach, how to do this stuff in depth. I teach secrets. And then in free content, I teach how to do things as well, but I don't go in super in depth, okay? But I do teach some powerful stuff, which you definitely should be interested in. So check that out. Click to the channel. Go see the videos. I'll see you guys later. And peace out. And go kill it.